Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we are discussing 4 romantic things the Prophet did. This is a compilation from the hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 1, kissing the forehead. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam at some point in time used to kiss the forehead of his wife before heading to prayer. This is so romantic. This is a way of showing his wife how much he so much appreciates her. But for we outside here, the Prophet is a very special person. If you know you don't have the capability to hold yourself, please do not try it so that you not spoil your ablution before you go for prayers. This is one of the most romantic things Prophet does, kissing the forehead of his wife before heading for prayers. Number 2, assisting the wife. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is so humble, and it's a good example that we must emulate, we must copy, because everything about his character is perfect. If you can Google on the internet today, the best man, the most influential man on earth, despite that he's not on earth now, his name still ranks number 1. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he helps them to clean, he helps them to throw out the trash. This is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the best human being on earth that ever existed. The 3rd romantic thing that the Prophet ever did was to, each time his wife Aisha radiallahu anha drinks from the cup and drops the cup, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam will pick the cup while looking at the eyes of Aisha, would drink from the exact spots from which Aisha have drunk. This will make Aisha to blush. This is so romantic. Muslims around the world today, these are things that you need to do to keep your wife very happy and to show them that you truly love them. So many people look their wives as irritating things. At a point in time, this is the person you saw on the street, or you saw somewhere that you so much felt comfort and love in your heart that you want to be with this person for the rest of your life. All of a sudden, this person comes to a house, it becomes another thing. It becomes something that you cannot handle again. It becomes something of rejection, something of irritation. This is very bad. We have to show our wives good company so that they will have comfort and take care of our own. The 4th romantic thing that Prophet usually do is taking baths with his wife. How many of the ulamas today, how many of the malams today can do this? Taking baths with your wife. This is so romantic. These 4 things are the collection of some of the romantic things the Prophet has done. Why do we do this? We do this so that we could see example in the life of the Prophet and also emulate this to keep our homes at peace. If you've learned from this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like, and do not forget to turn on your notification, because more videos will be coming your way as to broaden your horizon about Islam. It doesn't matter whether you're a Muslim or you're a Christian or you don't even have a religion. All you need to do is to learn something good every day. Thank you for watching. Until I see you next time, Assalamu Alaikum.